We'll be riding KTM's new 125 and 390 Duke at their world launch in Italy on Wednesday. Both the A1 license 15 bhp XA34099-125 Duke and the A2 license 43 bhp XA34599-390 Duke have undergone a full makeover for 2017. The most obvious change is the new Super Duke R-style headlamp and side exit exhaust, replacing the old stubby underslung unit. There's also a new frame, sharper styling, rider, pillion seats and a mouth-watering level of spec, including 43mm WP forks, radial calipers and a TFT dash. There's even a U2018 My Ride hands-free multimedia connectivity as an option. XA0 The 390 now gets a ride-by-wire throttle. Check back here on Wednesday and on MCN's social media channels to discover our first impressions. And read the full test in the 12th of April issue of MCN.